In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an animated line Figma tutorial. First, open your Figma project so you're looking at the canvas where you want the animation to live. Make sure you're in a frame or artboard that matches the context you're designing for, and zoom in enough to work comfortably. Now draw the line. Select the pen tool and click to place points along the path you want to animate. You can create a straight line by holding Shift or draw a curve by clicking and dragging to add handles. When you're done, press Enter. In the right sidebar, set it as a stroke, pick a color that contrasts with your background, and set the stroke weight to the thickness you want. If you like a softer look, set the stroke cap to round. This helps the animated draw-on feel. Next, place a rectangle over the line. This rectangle will be the reveal window for the animation. Draw it so it starts at the beginning of the line and extends a small distance along the direction the line will grow. Make sure the rectangle sits above the line in the layer order. Select the rectangle and the line together and apply a mask. The rectangle becomes the mask that hides part of the line, showing only what's inside its bounds. If the line disappears, ensure the rectangle is on top and the mask is applied correctly. You should now see just a segment of your line controlled by the rectangle. Convert this masked group into a component. This makes the animated line reusable and ready for variants. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Add a variant to the component. You'll have two states, the default and the animated end state. In the default state, keep the mask rectangle narrow so only the start of the line is visible. In the second variant, stretch the mask to fully cover the line's entire length. This change in mask size is what Smart Animate will interpolate. Switch to the Prototype tab and connect the default state to the variant. Choose an interaction, such as on-click, set the animation to Smart Animate, pick an easing like ease out, and choose a duration, for example, 600 milliseconds. Optionally, connect the variant back to the default to reverse the animation. Finally, add it as an asset. You'll see your component in the Assets panel, ready to drag into any frame. Hit Present to preview, click to trigger, and watch your line draw itself. If it feels too fast or slow, tweak the duration or easing, and if the reveal direction is off, adjust the mask position so it grows along the path you intended.